Hi, welcome back to What's Cooking at HEPL. Today we are going to use an air fryer. I know a lot of people are trying out air fryers. We're going to try something from the Skinny Taste Air Fryer Cookbook by Gina Homolka, and we are going to cook za'atar chickpeas. The first thing I did is I took the chickpeas and drained them and put them on a plate with a paper towel and let them dry completely. That did take a few minutes. I actually did something else while I let them dry, but now they're ready to cook. So we are going to take our air fryer. One thing I really like about this cookbook is she talks about, she gives directions based on whether you have a toaster style air fryer, which is what I have, or you have a regular traditional air fryer. So we are going to cook these for 10 minutes on 350 in the basket. So I'm just going to, I think they'll all fit in the basket in one layer. Just kind of spread those out a little bit. Stick it in the air fryer. I've got it set to 350 and I'm going to set my timer for 10 minutes. They're almost ready. And I think they look about done, so I'm just going to take them out of the oven. Okay, they look nice and toasty. I'm going to put them in a medium bowl. They're really crunchy. Now I'm going to lightly spray them with olive oil. I've got one of these olive oil misters, so hopefully this will work. Okay, so I've misted it with olive oil, and now I'm going to add the spices. We've got 1 teaspoon of za'atar spice blend, 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder, and 1/8 teaspoon kosher salt. So I'm just gonna mix that together. And this makes a great snack. It's really easy. It only takes 10 minutes and it'll make a great healthy snack, which you can make in your air fryer.